Okay, now we've got the first bit of text work and soundtrack inserted. We've checked that out. We like how it looks. So let's say we wanted to say develop PHP presents. We're going to use this at the beginning of videos. So we need to insert a new video track. And you can, if you want the text to be the same as what you've already got, then you can simply make a copy of this and drop it in and change the text to presents, and it's done. But we're gonna do something a little different. So we want to go back to media generators, prototype again, and another empty box in. So let's drop that down, and instead of fly in, let's see, is it drop split that I like? Yeah, let's do the drop split. Same process. Bring the text out to where you can see it. Double click it. And presents. Now highlight it. Let's go ahead and make it the same style text. And exit out. Effects. Add the gradient to it. Got that. And that. Okay. Just blow through this real quick here, guys. Now let me play it and see what we think. Very cool. Now let's see. You can see my preview window up top here. You know what? Because that is so much bigger. Let's see. I'm going to do that. Alright, now let's throw our glow on it here. And Smart Man would have wrote the alpha color down because he wanted it to match completely. But I never claimed to be a smart man, so yeah. Alright. Got that. Let's check it out and see what it looks like. Alright, not bad. Let me drop the quality of the preview down. Maybe it won't be so choppy. And you guys can see it here. And you can see it comes in from the front and then it drops down on the top. Alright, that's cool. But what if you didn't want them to do the same thing? Or same time, I mean. No big deal. Just bring this out here. And we'll drop it in right here. And then it's going to say the develop PHP first. And then once that does its thing, then it will start to drop in the presents. And then it'll fade out. Let's add a little sparkle to it. Let's add a little magic zing, if you will. We're going to drag a new audio track in. And I want this zing to be at the end when the presents spreads itself out. So instead of watching the whole thing, let's just start it right as it should start to spread. Let's see. You can grab your timeline and you can actually just move it back and forth, and you can see the point when the words start to spread a little bit. And I'm pretty close. Oh. Right there. So we're going to grab this track and line that up with our cursor. Now let's bring it back just a hair and see what that looks like. Alright, cool, right? It's got the little harp effect to it. So one last thing we can do to it is we can add a background. So we're going to drop this background in, and of course we want to spread it out through the whole thing. This is just a concrete picture, a JPEG picture image that I got, but we can drop down the opacity of it a little bit so it's not so bright. Well, I don't know. Let's try it first, see what it looks like. All right, cool. There you go, guys. That's one of many, many, many thousands of different intros that you can do. Hope you learned something, and we'll see you soon.